Folks, if you're kind of wondering, we're coming down here to see the lower end of Beaver Lake to see how bad it's actually, or how high the water is and how bad it's actually flowing. Uh, they had to open up the dams because they said we're almost close to over flood stage, and I'm looking at it right now, and oh wow, woo, uh, holy snot walkers, woo. Yeah, I'd say the lake is a little high, and I forgot my fishing pole. You gonna put it in the park? Or, yeah, it does have kind of a current to it. You can actually see that. If I zoom in just a little bit, you might be able to see it. But there's the current right now as it's flowing. That's because the dam is open, like I said, and we are way over floodplain. Which that area right there wouldn't be too bad for bass spawn, but the actual ramp, you see where that log is? That's where the ramp's actually at. Uh, yeah, so that's about right where the ramp usually sits. About right in there is where the ramp usually sits. I'd say we're above flood stage. That is for certain. Usually about right here we have to walk down to get in. But what y'all folks are seeing is the lower end of Beaver Lake. I said the lower end of Beaver Lake. If you go way back off over in that yonder and go around the bend a little bit and back down there, and that's where White River actually begins flowing into Beaver Lake. Yeah, fun, fun, fun. But I might just post a little bit on TikTok, and also might you can see a lot of debris down that way. I wonder what it's actually like. Oh wow, fish just jumped on camera. That's totally awesome. It just jumped right out of the water on camera. That was sick. But I'm gonna pop off here, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.